Hi, it's me, Gizmo, with Pocatello Paranormal Group. And speaking of spirits, I work with Pocatello Paranormal. They have fancy ghost machine detectors, but I have vibes. If I bark at nothing, that's not nothing. I don't chase ghosts, I supervise. Follow us for investigations, hauntings, and new shows. Don't forget, stay tuned for our Speaking of Spirits live Wednesdays at 7 and our shenanigans with my mom at Thursday at 7 p.m. And as always, like, share, and follow. That is me, Gizmo, the Paranormal Dog.